thousands of Onkyo receivers failed over the years because of this small component. It's the main DSP and was manufactured by Texas Instruments. Revision B in particular was deemed as defective by the manufacturer and a new improved revision was developed. This Onkyo 3007 is suffering of this very issue, and I'm attempting to understand what happens when the DSP fails. I'm also attempting a reball, which is really not a fix, but might work with the A revision of the DSP installed on this machine. Let's turn it on in 3, 2, 1, go. It's working! Ooh, look at that! It's actually working, and it's working! Take a look at the full video linked in the description.